Good morning, everyone. My name is Igusti Aira Nasanti. In this video, I would like to explain about my research proposal entitled Developing English Tourism Learning Material for Vocational High School Students in SMKN 1 Singaraja. I choose this research because I found there is unrelatable English material in vocational high school in which their textbook still as same as the textbook about general English. So this problem needs to be solved as soon as possible in order to give them appropriate exposure in English based on their needs. Next, this is the content of today's presentation. The first one is chapter 1 about background, objective of the research, problem of the research, chapter 2 about scope of the research, and chapter 3 about design, setting, and subject. First one, in chapter 2, this is the background of this research. Nowadays, the importance of learning the English language is essential. In this 21st century, we have to be able to build a wide connection between people as a part of finding job. But learning English is something difficult because they got less exposure to the English language and usually use their first language. In vocational high school, aim to prepare the students to be professional workers. As we know, many jobs are requiring their employee to master English. They also put an English proficiency test when someone wants to apply a job. Many students often face difficulty in using English language that's specific on their major. It is the aims of ESP also that is to help the students to learn specific English based on their field. In ESP, they will get the appropriate English requirement for their job in the future. ESP or English for specific purposes is taught by the students in vocational high school based on their major. It is more dealing with language in context rather than grammar. It is also different from general English in senior high school, in which they learn English in general. Also, at secondary level, the English textbooks are different. The textbook for senior high school is focusing on English for academic purposes. Meanwhile, the textbook for vocational high school has to be divided into different majors focused on the English for specific purposes. Next, about problem of identification. The English learning material should be based on the student's need and also the learning target of its major which prepare their students to be professional worker in their workplace. However, the English learning material in SMKN 1 Singaraja still unrelated to the tourism major and the students' need. The English learning material in the textbook content material of English for senior high school, there is about general English. According to the situation, the students do not get specific exposure to the English language based on their need. So this is the objective of the study regarding the research question. The objective of this research is to describe the English learning materials in vocational high school that is developed. And then the second one is to describe the quality of the English learning material developed in this vocational high school. Next is about the chapter 2. This is the scope of the material or the sub-material. 2.1 is English learning material and English for specific purposes. And then 2.1.1 English learning material, 2.1.2 English for specific purposes, 2.2 developing materials of English for specific purposes in vocational high school, 2.3 challenges of developing English learning material in vocational high school tourism major, and then 2.4 is empirical study. And then last is chapter 3. This is the research design. So this research based entails methods of research and development that designed to create product or produce which will be implemented in developing English material in vocational high school of tourism major. There is some step that will be followed. The first one is conducting need analysis. Second, writing the course grid or syllabus. Third, developing the material. Fourth, evaluating the material or expert judgment. Next, implementation. And the last is writing the final draft. The research setting, as I already mentioned earlier, that this research setting where the research is conducted and where it information chosen. So in this research, it will be conducted in SMKN 1 Singaraja that located in Singaraja Regency. Last is the research subject. The subject of the research is all English teachers and students in tourism major of SMKN 1 Singaraja. Moreover, tourism major was chosen as a subject because the object of the research aimed to develop English learning material in vocational high school tourism majors. Okay, that's all about my explanation. Thank you.